In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Google Sheets as the default for spreadsheets on desktop. If you work with spreadsheets and prefer Google Sheets, there's a simple setting in Google Drive that makes new spreadsheet uploads open in Sheets automatically. This is especially useful if you receive a lot of Excel files and want a consistent browser-based workflow without converting each file manually. Start by opening Google Drive in your desktop browser. Go to the main Drive homepage and sign in if you're not already. Once you're in Drive, look to the top right for the gear icon. Click it, then choose Settings. If you don't see the gear, try maximizing your browser window or confirming that you're on the main Drive view rather than inside a specific folder or document. In the Settings panel, find the section labeled Convert Uploads. Here, check the option that says Convert uploaded files to Google Docs editor format. This is the key switch. Turning it on tells Drive to automatically convert compatible files into Google's formats as they come in. For spreadsheets, that means files like .xlsx will become Google Sheets files during upload, so they'll open in Sheets by default without any extra clicks. With that enabled, upload your Excel files to Drive. You can drag and drop them into your browser window or use the New button and choose File Upload. Either way works. After the upload finishes, you'll see that the file is now a Google Sheets document in your Drive. From this point on, opening it from Drive launches Google Sheets by default in your browser, and you can share, collaborate, and edit in real time. A few notes to keep things smooth. This setting applies to files you upload after turning it on. It doesn't retroactively convert items already in Drive. It also affects only your Drive experience in the browser. It won't change what happens when you double-click a spreadsheet file on your computer outside of Drive. Because conversion translates content into Google's format, very complex formatting, advanced macros, or certain Excel-specific features may not transfer perfectly. It's a good idea to review converted files for accuracy and keep an original copy if the formatting is critical. That's all you need. Open Drive, adjust one setting, and upload your spreadsheets. Now they'll open in Google Sheets by default. If you ever change your mind, you can return to Settings and uncheck that option. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a simpler, more consistent spreadsheet workflow in Google Drive.